Hey, it is time for some new Madam Glam. Put the camera up here on the stand and we will check out Madam Glam's Neon Wave collection. And of course, Madam Glam is vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, 21-free formula, and best of all, HEMA-free. And your box is recyclable, and if you are interested in recycling this box, check out this little barcode for more information on that. And of course, Madam Glam has social media on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or I think X is what it's called now, and YouTube. So let's take a look. Are you excited? Because, ooh, look. Ooh. Yes. Okay, so I got four beautiful colors. And it is a fabulous day to do some swatching. So we're going to swatch these, and I'm actually going to do a design video in a separate video just because I wanted to show you these gorgeous colors I got. I'm so excited. So I got me some swatch sticks. Wait, I'm missing one. There's the other one. Got some swatch sticks, and we're going to do the do right after I put on my gloves. Because y'all, safety first. Safety first. Got to have those gloves, protect you from any kind of skin issues, what have you. So let's go. I'm going to start. Let's go this way. We'll mix them up. Just go with it. Believe me. First off, we have Electric Tangerine. Ooh, I am excited about this one. Don't have many oranges, so yes. Oh, look at that. Oh, and that is neon. I love it. Perfect for those lazy summer days, vacation. Lincoln barking in the background because he's a snicker. Ooh, looky, a beautiful. And next we, ooh, look at that. That looks like a glitter. We have a Raspberry Kiss. Let's take a gander. Oh, wow. That is pretty. Look how full that bottle is, y'all. That is full bottle, 15 ml, and it's going to last quite a while. And oh, can you see the neon in that pink? Cause wow, and it is so pretty. It's almost kind of has like a hint of purpley in it. I don't know. But look at those gorgeous sparkles. And next we have another sparkly green neon lime rush. Of course it is. You knew that name was coming. Ooh. And these are almost like a semi-jelly, but because you can see through them. You see through them? Kind of, sort of. A little bit. Oh, look at that. Ooh. I see a margarita in that future. Yes, I do. Wow. And the sparkle has almost kind of like a blue hue to it, which is very cool. I like that. It's like a greenish blue hue in the sparklies. Not overly sparkly, like a satin or something like that, but sparkly enough. And lastly, we have a sparkly blue for my blue girls, Aqua Shine. And let's see. Ooh, yeah. That kind of reminds me of water. Definitely reminds me of water. And it's got that shimmery, sparkly in it. Ooh. Yeah. Look at that. That is pretty. And of course, it's like a milky milky color, semi-milky. You tell me. That's what it looks like to me, is like a milky blue with shimmery glitters in it. And it's not overly shimmery glittery, it's just got just enough to really stand out. So while we're waiting for those to bake, let's go ahead and do a second coat. Ooh. When it baked, it seemed like it got maybe a tad bit darker. Maybe that's just me? I don't know. But wow, this is gorgeous. I have some other neon colors, and this will go great with them too if you don't have this complete set. But yeah, you're going to want this whole set because this collection is fantabulous. And we will close that one up. And next up, we are going to do a second layer of this here Raspberry Kiss. Yeah, look at that. It is sticky, but it actually looks like it's not sticky. And it's got very fine, like, grainy glitter, but once it self-levels, all that graininess goes away. So don't be disturbed by that. Look how fabulous that self-leveled. Yes. I don't know many glitters that are so easy to work with. A lot of glitters are chunky and weird, and these are not. These are like butter. Oh, and that got even brighter neon green with the second coat. I love that. That is for me. For me, you know that green is for me. And we will close that up. And last but not least, Aqua Shine. The second layer of Aqua Shine. Got to have that second layer and just appreciate the heck out of this color. Yes. And I'm going to go ahead and top coat these off camera, so I am not wasting too much time for you. But I would like to say thank you to my Madam Glam rep for sending me out these beautiful colors. Look at those. And the bottles are gorgeous. And thank you to Madam Glam for creating such wonderful, wonderful products. And I'll be right back with the final look. And here we go with the final results. Look how close those colors are to the bottles, y'all. That's pretty cool. I like that. And then we have them in matte. Look at that. They look pretty cool in matte too. Even the sparklies look really cool in matte. So either way, you can't go wrong. So check out my discount code in the description box and save you some coins when you pick up this set, because you know you're going to want this collection, y'all. Gonna want this collection. And I hope you have a fabulous, fabulous day, and sending love, hugs, and blessings. Bye-bye till the next one.